Hello, kids. For your word study assignment today, you are going to click onto the Wednesday Word Study 1 consonant blend song. Pay close attention to the blends that you're presented with and make sure you're watching with your eyes and listening with your ears and saying with your mouth. Because when you connect those three things, your brain learns these combinations of letters much better than if you just simply watch. Now, a fourth way that your brain learns is by doing. So if there are movements like writing associated with the seeing, the hearing, and the saying, then that's another pathway for your brain to remember these spellings. So we're practicing the way that words are spelled when you write the words. So after you watch the Word Study 1 video and the Word Study 2 video, add some new consonant blends to the consonant blends page that we started yesterday in your word study notebook and add words that go with those blends. So you can use the blends that are presented in these videos to make your own list of consonant blend words. And that's your assignment for today. Good luck and have fun.